Hello everybody, this is Jonathan and today I'll be going through what is new in Basic Text Editor 7.0. So now what you guys can do is underline text. You guys can now make text bigger and we can make it smaller, and also I have basically customized the navigation bar to have bold text. So I'll show you guys what I mean by how I customize the actual navigation bar with bold text. So if I was to click onto one of these options, it now has a bold to the text, so that way it's easy to get to read, as you guys can see. So it's much more bolder and much more readable than it used to be. I think that looks a lot better, honestly. As you guys can see, it does look a lot more better. It has better usability as well. So yeah, that's pretty nice. So I'm going to show you guys how the underline feature works. So we should be able to start typing in with our some text. So for example, guys can do TK enter is awesome, and here is the reason for it. ... Now you guys can highlight it by doing this, and you guys can click onto the underline button, and that will underline the actual text. Isn't that amazing? I think it is the most amazing thing that's ever been created, is to be able to underline some text. If we don't want to underline it anymore, just go back to the font settings and select the underline, and that will get rid of the underline. So it's as simple as that. Now to make the text bigger, click onto this button over there and click onto bigger text, and that will make it bigger, as you guys can see. You guys can click onto smaller text, and that will make it smaller. As you guys can see, bigger, smaller. So this is pretty much the work I have done so far for today. I have been to university to say, so I couldn't really do much, but I was able to get for end user to be able to make the text bigger and to make it smaller, and I was able to even be able to allow the person to add an underlined text. So for example, if I highlight this, I can click on to underline, and that will basically underline it, and you guys can just start writing it after underlining the text once you have the font size that we like. So if you guys are finding this difficult to read, then you can just unselect it by doing underline. You guys can just make it bigger and bigger, and then bigger again, and you guys can make it smaller just to make it perfectly quite good for you guys to read. That's not too big, not too small for you. And now you guys can do some customizations to it, and you guys can read through it as you guys really wanted to. So I may need to press once again to key a couple of times, which I may need to fix this, but it's fine for now. So basically, if there's too long of a word, then it should just start off a new line. But yeah, as you guys can see, I was able to make the text bigger and to make the text smaller, and even to underline some text as well. So that is all that is brand new. If you guys like this video, please put a like and please subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.